back. Today we are going to consider what exactly is meant by health. During this lockdown period, each one of us is very much scared that they should not catch hold of the disease, the dreaded disease, and the repercussion of the disease. But friends, if I ask you a question, do you know what health is all about? Most of you will answer no. We don't know what health is all about. Now let's consider what health is all about. Health is just a 6-letter word, but it's quite rich. If you try and explain health, it is vast. And in this upcoming video series, I am going to try and explain you what health is all about. So whenever we are going to deal with the definition or the term health, we must consider the World Health Organization's definition of health. They have defined health in their constitution in 1948. Rather, there are a couple of doctors who criticized on that definition that it is highly ambitious and not achievable. But at Wellbeings, I feel it is definitely achievable. So let us deal with the definition. What exactly WHO means by defining health? As per WHO's definition of health, it is physical, mental and social well-being and not merely absence of a disease or infirmity. What does that mean? That means that even if you don't have any disease or even if you don't have any symptoms or complaints, that does not mean that you are healthy. Is it not something surprising? Maybe since you don't know what exactly health is all about, it is quite astonishing for you to know that only absence of disease is not health. So let us further move ahead and consider what exactly is meant by health. Then when it comes to definition of health, I have been practicing since January 1993 and my target of treating any patient is to achieve this definition of health. But over a period of time, I have learned that one needs to add another facet to this definition of health, and I personally define health as physical, mental, social and spiritual well-being of a person and not merely absence of a disease or infirmity. So this is what is Wellbeing's definition of health, and I feel with the help of Healthorphin Pentacore, which includes wellness coaching, nutrition, homeopathy, yoga and counseling, with these 5 aspects into the practice, we can 100% definitely achieve the goal of health as per the definition of WHO, also as per the definition of well-being. So in the upcoming few videos, we are going to deal with each and every component of health, and then we are going to understand what health is all about. For the upcoming videos, stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video.